Hi friends, this video shows how to change screen resolution from Full HD to 4K. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to display and sound, go down, select resolution. See, here go down. So right now I have selected Full HD 1080p. I am going to change this to 4K. So let me select 4K from this list. Then select OK. Done. So this way we can change resolution from Full HD to 4K. If you don't know what is the best resolution for your TV, then you can select automatic. TV will automatically select best resolution. See, TV has selected 4K 60 Hz. Select OK. Done. So this way we can change screen resolution. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.